A project by Soundlines Reality and Rehan Associates, a leading name in urban residential spaces, reveals a new way of life that reunites modern man with Mother Nature. Filled with the mesmerizing sights and sounds flowing out of the majestic mountain slopes, it is a life that could only be imagined by sound delight, the ultimate expression of harmonious living. Nestled away in the lush, green foothills of Ashte village in Panvel, this mini township sets the tone for a life filled with the melody of whistling wind and rustling leaves. Close to nature and closer to man-made marvels, Sound Delight's proximity to Navi Mumbai's educational hub, railway station, Mumbai-Pune Expressway and the proposed international airport makes it also the choicest investment destination.
Sound Delight offers easy accessibility from McDonald's to Khopoli exit point at just 8.2 kilometers, while it is just 4 kilometers away from Shedong Khopoli exit to reach your flamboyant destination, Sound Delight. It is next door to MIT University. Sound Delight also offers quick access to Chhatrapati Shivaji University at 3.5 kilometers. This mesmerizing place is engulfed with nature sights and majestic mountain slopes where life can perfectly be imagined with Sound Delight.
Welcome to Sound Delight, where the scenic mountain slopes form the perfect backdrop and the elegant waterfront design greets you to a world of soothing luxury and serenity. Once a part of this flamboyant address, you are never too far from an active lifestyle. Sound Delight offers well-paved jogging tracks and a serene atmosphere to re-energize the mind and body. The open lawns and expansive play areas offer all the space and amenities to expend some energy while indulging in a sport with your loved ones. Take a stroll, go for a morning jog, or just chat endlessly with your friends. There's a lot to choose from the list of landscaped delights at Sound Delight. Situated amidst green foothills on a sprawling 4.5 acres of land, every resident of this mini township not only gets an unparalleled view of the mountains, but also indulges in a variety of flora and fauna found exclusively in the vicinity. The well-maintained landscaped area, spanning 1.5 acres, accentuates the natural beauty further, with green play areas, walkways, water fountains, and a host of other attractions blend seamlessly under the spectacular blue skies. Blooming amidst the Rocky Mountains, this sanctuary of urbanites celebrate an everlasting bond with Mother Nature. Explore this new way of life, streaked with green lifestyles. Day or night, Sound Delight's lobby area never sleeps either. One touch and the high-speed elevators zoom away to take you right at your doorstep. Step into the spacious living room, drawing in abundant natural light and panoramic views of the serene world outside. And you enter Sound Delight's world of quality craftsmanship and an unspoken love for luxury. Smart kitchens that effortlessly combine style and utility highlight Sound Delight's obsession with refined lifestyle. Relax in the comfort of the master bedroom that offers ample amount of space to suit modern conveniences and secures the privacy of its occupants with ease. Sound Delight ensures every room is outfitted with only state-of-the-art hardware fittings and the finest quality of accessories. The children's room, created with utmost care and detailing, essential to keep the little masters safe, secure and happy. With all the modern amenities and luxuries to indulge in, your guests would only be happier to spend a few more days in their guest room. Sound Delight provides cutting-edge amenities such as Wi-Fi and broadband connectivity, 24 hours security. On the other hand, spend evenings playing with giant-sized replicas of chess and Ludo. Or take your pick from foosball, snooker and table tennis. To soothing relaxation, an evening by the poolside is a perfect way to sparkle up one's mood. Enjoy a cool dip and unwind with your friends at the clubhouse. At Sound Delight, there's more to life and good times. Host a stargazing session or throw a barbecue party under the spectacularly designed Shamiana, a coveted possession for all those special moments of celebration. Come, celebrate the delights of living close to nature. A project by Soundline's Reality and Rehan Associates.